so one more here. We're gonna look now at that piece of balsa wood with the paper, and it's still wet. You know, I'm letting it dry slowly. But what I did, one of the things I did was put it on a hard surface and rolled it. I used a little roller thing and smoothed all the glue and stuff out all the way along there, so that it's a nice even fit. Okay, and what we've done is taken a piece of paper that now is going to resist tearing and stuff, and it gives it some springiness that it didn't have before because it's so brittle. And the glue actually goes in to the wood when you're doing this, so that there's a bond across all of those surfaces in there, and it's now a single piece of biological plastic. And we're going to test strength and stuff when I'm done. This is just step one. The next step, I take a piece of silk from a parachute, or from one of my diamond boxes or something. And the diamond box ones are really good, actually, and really thin like this. And I think when I put it on, and I'm looking at the shellac glue, Elmer's glue combination as the outside coatings on this stuff. Because I want something that's both structurally strong, and balsa wood is actually pretty structurally strong considering how undense it is, right? It's like it's lighter than a cork by a long shot. And I've bound it together with this piece of paper. The piece of paper has fibers in it that hold it together, as well as the cellulose and the glue that went in through the pores and structural gaps in the wood here, because it's kind of like a foam, like a natural foam. And the glue went in because it's not like a foreign substance. They're all kind of the same thing, and so they're compatible with each other big time. And I got a really good fit with this piece of paper. And when I do the silk, it's the same way. It's a natural fiber, made by little spiders in China, or at least that's what they tell us. And it's really, really strong. It's the strongest substance on the face of the planet, silk is. Weight for weight. It's about 50,000 times stronger than steel. And when I get done here, this will be just about that strong. And see, when I get done, there'll be a coat on it like I would do a wing of an aircraft, and a shiny surface, and so that the air flows over it like it should, and then we have a wing. We have a wing. And it's not a real fancy wing at this point in time, but, we can fix that probably. We can fix that. so that's the conclusion of this little part of this experiment, and it's going to be ongoing, and I will keep you posted.